Notepad is a default text editing software inside of Microsoft Windows, which is very simple, yet you can use it to edit text files in different ways. So in this course, we're going to explore out different tools and techniques that we can use inside of Notepad. So to access Notepad, you can go around over here and then in type here to sets, I'm just going to go around and type in Notepad right here. So over here, you can see that Notepad is here. So I'm just going to click on this and Notepad opens up just like this, as you can see. And this is the interface of Notepad. So you can move this around and this is all to it. So you got Notepad right here, and on the top, you got the file menu right here to help you save out, print out the files. There's the edit menu right here. There's the format menu, there's the view menu and help menu. And all you need to get started to work within Notepad is to start typing and press enter to go to next line, press enter, and there you go. That is how you start working. And this is the interface of Notepad. And now we're going to explore out all of the features of the application in further videos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.